Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. In this video, we are going to discuss editing your profile from the family's perspective. Let's log into your membership website by going to the top of the screen and clicking on Login. Once logged in, we're going to click on Profile at the top of the screen. Once on your profile, you'll see various things that you can edit. At the top, if your admin has chosen to put some forms on there for you to fill out, you can fill them out. You can also link your Homeschool-Life account. So if you belong to more than one group that uses Homeschool-Life as their web provider, you can switch back and forth by having multiple logins. And if you're an instructor, you also can edit your profile by clicking on your profile name and going in there to edit your personal information. You can add your biography and stuff like that. If we scroll down a bit, you can see that you can fill out your personal information like your name, address, your email, and your phone number. Scrolling down a bit more, you'll see the children's information where you can update their grade, their email. If they have a password to sign in to their classroom dashboard, you can include a password, and any additional questions that the admin might ask. Scrolling down some more here, we can see that we can update our email functionality, how we want to receive our emails, if the admin allows you to do that. You also can choose which form categories you receive and don't receive in your email account. Again, this is all according to whether your admin has given you the option to do that or not. Scrolling down a bit more, we see our classifieds we can update and the short description box. If you want to give a little biography about your family, you can even include a photo of your family here. And then down below, we have additional questions that your admin may ask. Now, from time to time, your admin may force a profile edit with registration or not. And typically, your administrators will do this for several reasons. One reason might be it's a yearly renewal, so you need to pay a yearly renewal fee every year. And when you're doing that, they'll also want you to edit your profile. Sometimes during the middle of the year, they may do it because they have new information that they need to collect from you. So let's take a look and see what it looks like when your admin forces an edit profile on your account. So let's log in again. Now, once you're logged in, a message will pop up if the edit profile has been selected by your admin, and it'll tell you that it's time to renew your membership and update your records. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. Once we do that, it's going to take you to their profile. Now, while the forced edit profile is active on your account, you will not be able to go anywhere else on the system. The only places you can go to are your profile. And you'll notice up here that your admin may put an additional message on the edit force profile. And here we could see, please update your profile and pay the registration fee by the end of the month. Just under the optional admin message, you'll see payment options. Now, currently I cannot uncheck this box. And the reason I can't check it is because it's a required fee. Your admin may have one or several fees up here. If there are several and some of them are not required, you can go ahead and uncheck them. And then just below that, you can see where you can edit your profile. Once you're finished with registration, if you scroll down to the bottom, click on Update. And you'll notice here that there are required fields that have not been filled out. So I'm going to say OK, and just mention to you that your admin may choose to clear out some of the fields to make sure that you do fill them out. So I'm going to go ahead here and fill out the grades real quick. OK, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom again and click Update. OK, it tells us that our changes have been saved, so I'll hit OK. And the system will take you directly to your statement of account where you can pay your fee for the year. If you have further questions, please contact your admin of your website. Thank you for watching Homeschool-Life's YouTube video.